Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Perplexity AI and run them every day. This is a fantastic feature for staying on top of important information automatically, whether you're tracking news, research updates, or any other recurring queries you need answered daily. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in before moving forward, as this feature requires account access. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left panel of the screen. Here, you'll find your notifications button positioned right beside your profile avatar. Click on this notifications button to access the task scheduling options. This is where Perplexity allows you to automate your queries and stay informed without having to manually check for updates. Once you're in the notifications area, look for the Schedule a Task button and click it. This opens up the task creation interface where you'll configure everything about your recurring task. The interface is straightforward and designed to make automation simple. Now navigate to the instruction field. This is where you'll define what you want Perplexity to do for you each day. Click in the text field and type your query or instruction. For example, you might type something like latest AI news updates. This tells Perplexity exactly what information to fetch for you automatically. Next, move down to the schedule section. Click the drop-down menu below it and select daily from the available options. This ensures your task will run once every day without you having to think about it. Right beside this setting, you'll see another drop-down menu for time selection. Click on it to open the time picker and choose what time of day you want this task to run. Pick a time that works best for your routine. Now navigate to the expiration date section. Click the drop-down menu below it to select when you want this recurring task to stop. This gives you control over how long the automation continues, whether that's a week, a month, or indefinitely. After setting the expiration date, move to the notification platform section. Click the drop-down menu below it to choose how you want to receive your task results. You'll see options for in-app notifications, email, or mobile alerts. If you want to receive notifications through all available channels, simply check the box beside it. If you prefer only specific methods, leave the box unchecked and select your preferred platform from the dropdown. Finally, click the Save button to confirm all your settings. Perplexity will now automatically run your task at the scheduled time every day and deliver the results through your chosen notification method. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated daily task in Perplexity AI that will keep you informed without any manual effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.